Hey y'all, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV, and I've got another fun card fold to show you today. This is an easy peasy diagonal easel card, and look how cute it is. Now, when it's closed, it looks like this. Then whoever you send this to is going to open it up, and it'll stand on this little stop right here, and it says, "You make my heart happy. Grateful to call you friend." Now, to make this easy peasy diagonal easel card, you're going to need a piece of cardstock, which is 4 1/4 by 11. That's a half a sheet of your regular 8 1/2 by 11 cardstock. And we're going to use the trimmer to do our scoring. You'll also need 2 pieces of 4 by 5 1/4. One for the inside and one for the front that you're going to cut diagonally. But we're going to go ahead and do our scoring. Now, the first thing we'll do is score this at 5 1/2, which is going to be our center fold. Line that up right there. Go ahead and get our score line. Now, we're going to score this diagonally. And if you look at this, this is a landscape style card. So I'm going to score from this top right corner to the fold line. Now, I'll show you when we get done here if you want to do this on a different perspective, meaning a portrait style. I'll show you how to score one of those as well. But we're going to put this in the trimmer, and we're going to put this top right corner in the channel, and then we're going to pivot this around and get this 5 1/2 inch score line also in the channel, so that we are scoring this diagonally. And you have to really look, and it's hard for me because I'm looking over a camera. Okay, it took me a minute, but I think I've got it in the right spot. I'm going to press down right here to hold this in place. We're going to go ahead and score this diagonally. Then we'll take it out. I'm going to go ahead and move my trimmer over, and we're going to get our score lines folded. This is thick paper. And go ahead and get these burnished. Now, here we have the base for our diagonal easel card. And you can see it's just like the other one. Now, we're going to get our papers cut. We're going to put this pink one on the inside. You can go ahead and do that now if you want to. That 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece. For the front, we're going to take the flowered one, and we want to cut this exactly the way we have this scored. If you don't do that, your paper will not fit. Ask me how I know that. So open it out and look and see. You want to cut it just like that, and then you will just take your pieces and glue them to the front. And then when you put your card together, it's going to be just right. So I'm going to get my trimmer back over here, and we are going to cut this diagonally this way. And once again, I'm probably going to have trouble getting it in here. And let's double check now. I want to cut it from here to here, so it will fit the front of my card. So let me look over this camera again and try to line this up. Keep your fingers crossed, guys, because I cannot see it that well. Okay, that looks good. We're going to give it a shot. Let's see if I did it right. Yep, it's going to fit. Okay, I'm going to grab my glue and get this attached to the front. Then I'm going to put my inside piece in. Okay, guys, here we have it. Here is how you make the base for that diagonal easel card. Now, I'm not going to finish this one right now. This one, I decided to put the circle on, and then I put the little rectangle here. This is going to depend on what you're going to use for your stamp, what shape you use. You could use a square, a rectangle, a hexagon, an oval, whatever you'd like. You might want to put a flower down here for your stop. It's just whatever you want to use to decorate the front and the inside and the stop for your card. So that's how easy this is. Like I said, it's easy peasy. And it might be hard for you to see, so I'm going to turn it this way. Now, if you wanted to do, this is a landscape. If you wanted to do a portrait style, then you're going to go ahead and cut your card base just like always, A2 size, which is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and then you're going to score the front diagonally from that corner to the fold, and then that would stand up like this, which gives you just a little bit of a different look. And you can do the same thing for the inside, for your stop, for whatever you want to put on here. But you can see how easy this card is. It's lots of fun, and I think it makes a very unique presentation. It's just a little bit different than your regular easel card. So there we have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today, and I hope you'll give this one a try, because it's really quick and easy, and you can send out some of these cards and make someone happy. And that's what making cards is all about, right, guys? We want to encourage people and put a smile on their face. And who doesn't like to get a card in the mail? I know I do. Have an awesome day, guys. I love you all. God bless you all. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.